Hello, welcome to bak-je. Today, I'll walk you through the basics of using the bak-je app, your platform for discovering and creating curated YouTube moments. Let's dive in and explore how you can start enjoying and sharing meaningful video content. First, navigate to bak-je.com. This is the homepage you'll see. You can enjoy bak-je's viewing experience without creating an account. Feel free to browse through the curated playlists and discover moments that others have shared. However, if you want to save playlists for later or create your own playlists, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. For now, we only offer Google sign-in to keep things simple and secure. For users who prefer languages other than English, bak-je offers support for 27 languages. Almost all app interface elements, buttons, menus, and system messages are properly translated into your chosen language. Keep in mind that user-generated content like playlist titles, descriptions, and tags will remain in their original language. So if a creator wrote their playlist description in English or Korean, it will stay in that language regardless of your app language setting. When you click the Sign In button, you'll see Sign In with Google. Simply select your email address and that's it. You're now signed in. There's no need to create a new account or remember another password. Google handles all the authentication for you, making it quick and secure. The home menu takes you to the main landing page. Here, playlists are updated regularly, and more importantly, as you visit more often and watch more playlists, your content feed becomes personalized based on your interests. At the top of the page, you'll see a search bar. This is pretty powerful. You can search in two different ways. First, you can type keywords to search through playlist titles and descriptions. So if you're looking for cooking videos or music performances, just type it in. Second, you can search by tags. Creators add tags to their playlists, making it super easy to find specific topics. Right below the search bar, you'll notice 3 important buttons. Let me walk you through each one. First, there's the Recently Watched button. Here's how it works. After you watch a playlist, it disappears from your main feed. But don't worry, it's not gone forever. Just click Recently Watched. And boom! There are all the playlists you've already enjoyed. Want to go back to your fresh content? Simply click Back to Feed and you're back to discovering new stuff. Next, we have the Compact button. Sometimes playlists can look pretty big on your screen, especially if you're on a smaller device. Click Compact and everything shrinks down to a nice, condensed view. You can see more playlists at once this way. When you want the regular size back, just click Regular. It's that simple. Finally, there's the Refresh Feed button. Think of this as your Show Me Something New button. Click it, and your feed updates with fresh playlists. Quick tip though, this button won't work when you're in the Recently Watched section. You need to be in your main feed for it to refresh. Now, let me show you what each playlist card contains. There's actually quite a bit of information packed into these cards. At the top, you'll see the thumbnail image. This gives you a visual preview of what the playlist is about. Notice those 2 pieces of information overlaid on the thumbnail? On one side, you'll see the total duration. That's how long it'll take to watch the entire playlist. So if you see 6 minutes and 0 seconds, you know you're in for 6 minutes of curated content. On the other side, there's a number showing how many moments the creator has curated. So if it says 19 moments, that means the creator has handpicked 19 specific segments from different videos. Right below the thumbnail, you'll find the playlist title. This is usually a catchy name that tells you what the playlist is about. Under that, there's the playlist description where the creator explains their vision or the story they're trying to tell through these curated moments. Now, look at the bottom row. This is where things get interesting. On the left, you'll see the creator's name. This is the person who put together this collection of moments. And on the right, those are the engagement stats. You can see how many views the playlist has gotten, how many people liked it, the number of comments people have left, and how many users have bookmarked it for later. These numbers help you quickly gauge how popular or engaging a playlist is. All of this information helps you decide whether a playlist is worth your time before you even click on it. Pretty neat, right? Let's watch this playlist by clicking it. Boom! Welcome to the playlist page. This is where the magic happens. This is where you'll spend most of your time watching curated moments and engaging with content. Let's start from the very top and work our way down. At the top left, you'll see a blue back arrow button. This is super handy. It takes you right back to wherever you were before, whether that was your home feed, the charts page, or a search result. Next to the back button is the playlist title. In this example, it says, Golden K-Pop Demon Hunters. This immediately tells you what collection you're about to watch. Now, the centerpiece of the page, the video player. When you first arrive, you'll see a beautiful thumbnail image. You might notice a YouTube play button in the middle of the thumbnail, but here's a pro tip. Instead of clicking that, use the bak-je playback controls below. Why? Because our controls are designed specifically for moment-based viewing. They'll take you through each curated segment exactly as the creator intended. Right below the video player, you'll see a row of dots. These are your progress indicators, super important. The blue dot shows which moment you're currently on. The rest of the dots represent the other moments in the playlist. So if you see 19 dots, you know there are 19 carefully selected moments to enjoy. As you move through the playlist, the blue dot moves along, showing your progress. Under those progress dots, the page splits into two sections. On the left, you have 4 playback control buttons, from left to right. The restart button to replay the current moment from the beginning. The previous button to go back one moment. The play pause button in the center, and the next button to skip to the next moment. These controls give you complete command over your viewing experience. On the right side, there's the creator's profile section. You'll see their profile picture, their name, in this case, Playlist Master, and a follow, unfollow button. If you're not following them yet, it'll say follow. Click it to get their future playlists in your feed. Already following? It'll show unfollow instead. Here's a helpful tip. Click on the creator's avatar or their name, and it'll take you to their creator page where you can explore all the playlists they've made. Let's go back to the playlist by clicking the blue circle back navigation button. Moving down, we come to the playlist section. This gives you the big picture. First, you'll see duration, followed by the total time. Maybe it says 6 minutes or 15 minutes and 30 seconds. This tells you exactly how long the entire playlist runs. Below that is the playlist description where the creator shares their vision, why they created this collection, and what story they're trying to tell. Right underneath is the current moment section. This is crucial for understanding your viewing experience. It shows your position in the playlist, like position 1 of 19, meaning you're watching the first moment out of 19 total. It also displays the duration of just this current moment, and most importantly, the moment description. This is where the magic happens. The creator explains why they chose this specific clip, adding context and narrative to what you're watching. Below the content sections, you'll find the social engagement bar with all your interaction options. Starting from the left, there's the view count with an eye icon, showing how many people have watched this playlist. Then comes the thumbs up button with the like count displayed. Click it if you're enjoying the playlist. Next to it is the thumbs down button if it's not quite your style. Moving right, there's the bookmark button. Click this to save the playlist to your bookmarks for easy access later. When it's bookmarked, the icon fills in to confirm it's saved. The share button comes next. Click it to get sharing options for social media or to copy the link. And finally, there's the flag icon for reporting broken moments. Here's why this is important. Sometimes the original YouTube creators delete their videos or make them private. This happens all the time, so it's not unusual to encounter missing or broken moments in a playlist. When you click the flag to report these issues, you're helping the playlist creator identify problems so they can fix or replace those moments. Your report goes directly to them, making it easier to maintain quality playlists. At the very bottom of the page, you'll find the comments section. This is where the community comes together. You can type your thoughts in the text box, read what others are saying, and engage in conversations. It's a great way to connect with other viewers and even the creator themselves. So that's your complete playlist page, from the navigation at the top all the way down to the comments at the bottom. Every element is designed to give you the best possible viewing experience while letting you engage with the content and community. Remember to use those bak-je playback controls for the smoothest journey through each curated moment. And that's the essentials of using bak-je. You've learned how to navigate the homepage, searching for content, managing your feed with the 3 control buttons like Recently Watched or Back to Feed, Compact or Regular, and Refresh Feed button, and understanding playlist cards at a glance. You've also mastered the playlist page, using playback controls like Reset, Previous, Play Pause, and Next buttons, engaging with likes and bookmarks, following creators, and even helping maintain quality by reporting broken moments. What makes bak-je special? Instead of watching entire videos hoping for the good parts, you get curated journeys through the best moments, each with context and storytelling. Now it's your turn. Explore playlists, follow creators you enjoy, bookmark favorites, and join the conversation in the comments. Welcome to bak-je, where every moment matters. Happy watching.